Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare healthy and delicious dates laddu. And this is very simple to prepare. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this laddu. We need 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup cashews, cardamom and 5 to 6 de-seeded dates. Let's start the preparation. In a grinding jar, take almonds, cashews, cardamom. Close the lid and grind it into a coarse powder. Coarse powder is ready. Now we have to add de-seeded dates. Close the lid and grind it one more time. Dates and dry fruits mixture is ready. Now we can take it in a plate. Take small portion of the mixture and make it into a small ball or small laddu. Laddu is ready. Same way we have to make all laddus. In the shown measurement, we can make 7 to 8 laddus of this small size. Healthy and delicious, no sugar dates laddus are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.